My name is Kamel. I am an entrepreneur, business advisor, and in addition to that, I am also a soul coach. The most important thing is to have some kind of daily practice where you have the time to sit with yourself, to be with yourself, to clear out all the noise that's around us, and to feel into what your soul wants you to do rather than what the mind wants us to do. Just cultivate a time for self-reflection, where you have the time to tune out everything that's around you and just listen to yourself, because it's in those moments that the greatest inspiration comes to all of us. When we're sitting with ourselves and we have the space to cultivate this inspiration, miraculous things happen. The reality is that the answers are deep down inside of us. We're each unique, we each have a unique gift to share with the world. And it's really important that we find a way to come back to that essence of who we truly are and what we're here to share.